back from the shops and doing all the errands I had to do today. I did also get my laser treatment done. So if you guys don't know, I've been getting that done probably for about 12 months now. So a little bit of an update while we're at it. The upper lip area, probably just got a couple of hairs around the mouth, just like on one side, but pretty much that's all gone. Underarms are honestly pretty much all gone as well. There's just a couple of hairs here and there. And the same with the legs, actually. The legs I've only had 4 treatments on, and it's pretty much, I could say 80% is gone, where the underarms I'd probably say, yeah, 80, probably 95% gone there, and I've had like 12 treatments. So you can see it depends on the darkness of the hair in the area. I have had amazing results with all of it. So if anybody wants to get anything like that done, I highly recommend it. As you guys know, I'm trying to live that bit more of a minimalistic lifestyle, and this is the kind of things that I invest when it comes to beauty. I invest in things that are more long-term rather than getting my like lashes or nails done that constantly need doing, and they're always going to be something that needs to be done. I prefer to, you know, get something that's going to save me time each week. So honestly, I can say I just shave once a month, and that's just for the appointment. And I'm happy to literally show my legs and my underarms at the gym because you can barely even notice there's anything on them. So I have just had my eyebrows done as well. You guys probably can't notice because I've been getting them done for years. So I've just had a touch up. So her name is Penelope. If you guys are interested, she has a place in Mornington, but she does freelance. So that's where I've been able to get my eyebrows done through there. So yes, I can just show you a bit of a before and after of what they used to look like before I had them. But yeah, that's another thing that just saves me so much time in the morning. And because I did have like body dysmorphia disorder years ago, I don't like to spend that much time in front of the mirror, to be really honest. I like to keep my skincare routines and makeup really simple. So now that my tummy is full, I'm up to my next project. So this is it here. Mind this mess. I actually put all these on last night and I'm so disappointed. Look at this. This one here doesn't have a tag. So you will see the video with this. It would have come out last week, because I've just got to put these on the baskets and then that video is done. These are the canvases that I brought. So I did head up Spotlight, and theirs was $50 for the really big one, but it was unframed. And then for ones this size was $30, where these were $14 each from Kmart. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do like a set and just make them look like they're part of a set and do it that way, because I just think that is just so much better for value for money.
Way back when we started, you guarded your heart away. You wanted to fight this feeling. I thought it was nothing, we turned into something else. Now when I take a look around, this is just what I wanted. I thought that we were going down. I'm so glad that I fought it, 'cause we're here now, here now. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around, I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, sunlight. Now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. Yeah, we were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. We've been through our seasons, but we're doing better now. These days I can't fight this feeling. I used to need therapy, but you gave me clarity. Now when I look around, this is just what I wanted, and I just needed you to break.
Do you want me to be blatantly honest? I think it looks like crap. Yep, I think I officially massacred this project, but you know what? I haven't painted it yet, so time will tell. Okay, I've just mixed up those sample paints. I've just put some extra white in them just to give me a few more colors, but this is what I'm looking at. I honestly have no idea what I'm going to do. So we're just going to let the creative flow and cross fingers. It looks a hell of a lot better than what I've created so far.
When you first said it was over, yeah, it all went black. Didn't get any closure, like a heart attack. But then you came back with flowers, explaining for hours how you intend on winning me back. How could I have known you were still half detached? And I hoped things would change, but I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. Pull the knife straight out of my back. Next time do a better job to cover up your tracks. I can smell her all over your t-shirt.
Look at that rainy weather. Shocking out there. I just had to pull the rollerball and door down because these were getting wet. Anyway, this is how it looks. I did end up turning the camera off because it was just going to be recording forever. But yeah, this is how it looks. I can't say I love it, but it's art. Okay, so this is the artwork. I can honestly say I don't love it. So you can see this is the texture had gone through, and I think that's a bit that I hate about it the most. But looking at it, it's even with two together, I feel like it's way too small for that area, and I just don't love it. Like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like on the wall because I've got one on the wall. So that is what it looks like on the wall. Oh, it's terrible lighting. I'll get in the right spot. But yeah, that's what it looks like on the wall. Yeah, I just don't love it. It's not me. Like, I don't know. I don't love it. I need to come to the conclusion that some art things I'm just not very good at, and this is probably one of them. I might honestly give it a crack again, but I'll probably leave these lines out and all the texture and just try and do it without that, because I think it will look way better. This is what it looks like from far back. It is just terrible lighting, so it's harder to see, but yeah, that's what it looks like from far back, just to give you an idea what it looks like on the wall, because I'm not going to put a hole on this wall when I'm not going to keep it on there. But yeah, what do you guys think? Maybe I'm being my own, like, a really bad critic on myself, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I just don't love it.